Scotty.
Good morning, everybody.
What you got there?
So we are back on Williams Mustang.
See? Xander's staring at the wall. Are you looking at goth ladies?
So when we pull it off to ship the other one out to get painted, I noticed there's a lot of paint in areas that just, it is what it is.
You mean people that didn't do the job right? Shock.
Light paint here.
It's thin right there.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it looks good. Don't get me wrong. I'm not mocking the paint job. Just you find things, you see things, whatever. And he said this one was wiggling and stuff when he was driving. So.
Guys, check out my new beauty mirror. I just got it at Target. I look beautiful on it.
That came out
Look at how nice that turned out.
flawless.
The color is dead on.
Yep.
It's perfect. Absolute perfection.
No wiggle.
And no wiggle, yeah. So, we're absolutely, positively perfect.
Oh, I know. Well, thank you for noticing, finally.
I know. I could see that on my new beauty mirror. Oh, look at that. Look at that guy.
Ugh.
Ugh.
Anyway.
Neanderthal right there.
Shush. All right, so that
On
can
that
go.
note, ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, baby Chewbacca's.